Yo, what's up, community? Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another amazing, fabulous, tremendous, and enormous type of the video. In today's video, guys, we are going to explore and explain another level amazing type of the project. Name is bradycoin.com. So don't skip any part of the video. This video is going to be very interesting and also profitable for you. So basically, guys, Bradycoin is a cutting edge cryptocurrency project designed to revolutionize the way we interact with digital assets, built with a focus on innovation, security, and community driven growth. Bradycoin aims to provide a seamless and rewarding experience for users and investors alike. Whether you are a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, Brady opens the door to endless possibilities in the decentralized economy. Join the Bradycoin movement today and be a part of the future of the finance. Here is the front page of our project. Bradycoin is here. So guys, here the Bradycoin is the forefront of technology in a decentralized blockchain ecosystem. Specialized in NFTs, DeFi, and the creation of the Bradycoin cryptocurrency, we also leads on the robotics and artificial intelligence, the metaverse, and the game coin. Our mission is to build an innovative and integrated digital future, redefining the boundaries of the technology. The construction of the Bitcoin blockchain represents a milestone in innovation and security in the digital sector. Based on the robust decentralized system, and our platforms offers efficiency and reliability in the transaction with the support for the smart contracts, interoperability with the blockchain, and the dynamic ecosystem. We are leading the technology revolution, providing scalable and the transparent solution for the future of digital finance. Investing in the Bitcoins includes the exciting opportunities in the cloud mining and the cryptocurrency mining. Our platform provides direct access to these advanced technologies, allowing the investors to actively participate in the mining process with efficiency and security. With a transparent approach and robust technical support, we are committed to maximizing returns and streamlining the path to the success in digital economy. Bitcoin is an innovative cryptocurrency that adopts an advanced DAO decentralized autonomous organization model, placing in the hands of the user community the ability to influence collective decision on the development governance, and platform improvements. The democratic and transparent system promotes decentralized and autonomy, position Bitcoin in the forefront digital finance by evolution, providing fair and equitable environment for our participants. Bradycoin is investing trillions in decentralized physical infrastructure networks and diving in the convergence between the blockchain and the physical infrastructure, focusing on decentralized networks that support physical devices, IoT. The company aims to innovate in the resource management and the operational efficiency. This investment seeks to transform the sectors on logistics, energy, and telecommunication, providing a more secure, transparent, and efficiency infrastructure and aligned with its mission to build an integrated and innovative digital future. Bradycoin plays a crucial role in the DeFi decentralized finance sector, offering innovative and accessible solutions for the investors and users. As decentralized platform, it facilitates lending, staking, and other financial operations with our transparency and the efficiency, with our commitment to advanced blockchain. And guys, here's the Bradycoin is the integrating artificial intelligence. Intelligence to drive the next era of blockchain technology. With our platform uses AI to optimize their technology, our platform uses efficiency as well as to provide advanced solutions for the images, creations with innovative combinations. We are raising the standards of functionality, adaptability, creating a smarter and more agile digital environment for new users. Bradycoin is the forefront of the NFT. So guys, basically the NFT collection is insane. You will check out in the further video. The NFT collection is breathtaking and jaw dropping. You have to buy this. And guys, as a Bradycoin continues to push the boundaries of the technological innovation, the company is now venturing into the robotics sectors, leveraging its advanced blockchain technology to create groundbreaking solutions. This strategic move highlights Bradycoin's commitment to redefining industries through the integration of the cutting edge technologies, positioning itself as a leader in the rapidly evolving. So, as here is all over information what is the actually website is. You can read out everything one by one here. And guys, here's another. Welcome to the Bradycoin platform dedicated to cryptocurrency investment. By using our website, it's important to understand following terms and conditions. So guys, here's the terms and condition. You can also check out this. So guys, now we are going to explore our. Here's the white paper. Bradycoin's an ambitious vision for the future with the decentralized drives the narrative, and the robotics and NFTs are building blocks of new this around the blockchain. So guys, everything is here. I can't read on everything because video will be too long if I explain everything one by one. You can also read out everything here in front of you. They are giving every type of detail about their project. You can read out everything is here in front of you. And guys, we are gonna check out. This is also on the Etherscan, guys. You can also find some maximum supply is. You can also check this on chain market cap holders or one total transfer is here. Everything you can also find out this, guys. And guys, here is the everything amount is also here. Bradycoin deployer. You can check out this. So guys, it will be list very soon. Here is the contract address. You can also copy the contract address to buy this token here. So guys, now it's time to check out their NFT collection. Bradycoin sale of customized and diversified NFT with themes in Galaxy and themes when it comes to third 3D. Wow, guys, check out this Cyber Sexy Women 5 Bradycoin, Cyber Sexy Women 2, Cyber Sexy Women 1. Everything is here. Check out amazing type of the NFT collection is here, guys. Hall of Fame Robotic, and everything is here. Check out the NFT collection is, guys, jaw dropping, literally jaw dropping NFTs. So collection is here in front of you. The best opportunity for you to buy this. I'm sure that you will get a fabulous response from them. And guys, check out another things, guys. Looking so great, looking so amazing, looking so fabulous, tremendous type of NFT collection I have ever seen in my life, guys. Check out this. NFT collection is insane, guys. Check out that. And check out this, guys. This collection. Check out this one, guys. Check out this one. And this one looks so amazing and tremendous. This best NFT collection is waiting for you. Now join and buy the NFTs collection of Bradycoin. So guys, here they are also listed on the Twitter. If you have to follow them on the Twitter, just like me, I'm following them on the Twitter. Welcome to the Bradycoin Universe Artificial Intelligence NFT Blockchain Cryptocurrency Tokens. You can also contact them on the email here, guys, and OpenSea. You can check out everything here. You have to like, share, and subscribe on all over their posts and on the Twitter here. So guys, Bradycoin is going to be best coin of the 2024 and also of the 2025 here. You have to join this if you are interested. And this coin is just like a wow, guys, amazing coin. The NFT collection is insane, guys. NFT collection is breathtaking. So guys, that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed my video. Let's meet you on the next video. Have a great day and stay safe, stay happy here.